Burkinafi es una familia. Es un placer. It's a pleasure to be here in the home of the Marcial dynasty, one of the legendary family who has kept the culture together with Pororo and everything. It's not all about Pororo, it's about the music that they have created throughout the years. And I had the opportunity to do an interview on Garifuna Music and talk with DJ Labuga with Nati Francisco Marcial. And it was very revealing. It was something that people keep visiting and watching on Gafu channel because they want to find out about the birth and the origins of Pororo. But with that said, I want to thank you and your family for allowing us to be here, for welcoming us in your beautiful home in Labuga, Livingston today, 31st of December 2019, one day away from our New Year, un día antes de empezar el año nuevo con paso firme. Gracias a la familia Marcial por tenernos aquí en su casa el día de hoy.
Ahora acompáñenos a ver el pozo que le ha dado agua a todo el barrio durante 50 años. 50 años no es la municipalidad ni el gobierno que le da agua. El agua, Dios se lo dio a mi familia y nosotros no cobramos ni un centavo para dar el agua. Acompáñenos a ver el agua.
We are going to go see the well. It's a natural well which was owned by the Marcial family, which has been provided water for more than 50 Garifuna families here in Labuga, Livingston. Right. So let's go, please. Wow, buena historia. Ni la Muni. Wow.
Por eso lo estoy diciendo. Esto es la casa aquí.
We're gonna see the well. And we're gonna upload this video on our channel. So for those of you who want to know a little bit about the history of how Garifuna stay together and how they take care of one another, here is the well.
Ese es el palo que da la raíz, the roots.
The roots. And this is the famous well that has been providing water. Oh my goodness. Wow, está lleno. No es como lo de ahí.
Y aunque se esté sacando, entre más se saque, no se vacía nunca.
It's an abundance of water. He was saying that that as much water as you could take out of the well, more water is being replenished.
Lida Garifuna, ida badaburoguni, ligati malabunchu. En español, entre más sacas el agua, Dios nos da más por medio de las raíces para el pueblo. Es lo que le puedo decir. No tengo más porque no tengo palabras.
Wow, beautiful. Thank you, Cheryl.